Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stockology. And the last time we met, we were going through the Nifty 50 share analysis, and we have already done that. So today we are going to see the Nifty 50 share index, and I'm going to analyze it as always and give you what is my perspective toward what is going to be a support or resistance in it and which could be the effective key points or the key levels in this particular share. As always, you can see we are here with the Nifty 50, and we're going to start with. But before we're going to start, let's see. As of now, it is on 23,332.35, which is down from where it was before. In a sense, yes, this index went up yesterday, even though it went quite down before that. So, and it is already far below from where it used to, which is 26,000 and above. So with that, we will start our share analysis, or we can call our chart analysis. As always, okay, we always considered top the point where is going to work as our resistance, as always, as it is far above everything. It could work as support, recent high, recent low, recent high, recent low, and this is going to be the topmost point. It is also going to work as a resistance, and I don't see any other key level here. Now we move to the weeks, and if you look in the weeks, we can make this as well as a support, but I'm not going to because we already have this covered. We can go with this and with this. We can go with this one because there are two reasons with that. Why? I can go with this, but there is only a 1 point of interaction with the line going on. Okay, but with this one, as you can see, with 24874.13, where it worked as a resistance once and as a support once, and at the same time you can see there is a little bit of bend here on 14th of October 2024, and it was quite close to the line December 2024. So this point might have some significance in the long run. You can consider that, and I always suggest that you zoom a little bit to get a little bit better idea how it's going to play out. But it's on you if you are going for the support and resistance, you are going for zoom in or zoom not. I usually go and to find that particular point. No, no, no. We can go with this, but I don't think I will. The problem with support and resistance, you can find multiple point of entries, but you can only, and if you are going to make every entry, then you are not going to make easy for you to take an entry because every few points you are going to get a point of entry. Okay, then in that scenario, the significance of entry or exit diminish itself. I can make it here, but I don't want to. There is no clear point of entry there, and it is quite significantly close itself. No, no, no. We're going to go with this as a support here. Okay. Now we are going to go in days. Already told you recent high, recent low is going to be our key factors. They are the easiest way to figure out where are they. As you can see here, and we can go with this one as well. Okay, with this we found our key point of entries or exit, like 23,160.34 or 23,160 going to work as our support, and 23,534 is going to work as our resistance. And along with that, we are going to look in candles as well to get an idea how it works. And one more thing, the thing about chart analysis is, the more you analyze things, the more it gets easy for you to understand how the things work. Okay, you can easily find patterns, you can easily see the thing you are missing. Or here, as you can see in this as well, we are going with lower highs and lower lows, and this one just broke it, the pattern. So what we are expecting is it is going to follow higher highs and higher lows because it has already broke the pattern. So in other case, we can also consider this. This point is also going to work as a significant point of entry. Entry in the sense it's going to work as a resistance itself. If it's going to continue going to follow the higher high pattern, which is kind of good in itself. Okay, we have found multiple point of entries if we're gonna take, and there is one more thing which I like to do is, I don't know if you are going to like it or not, but I'm still going to tell you is, I'll go with, okay, black color will be nice, to come here and make this 2 3. Right now it is 20,332. We are going to go with 23,300. 20,300, and we are going to go with 23,400 almost. Okay. Now if you're going to think why I made this 23,300 and 23,400 as well, the thing which I have noticed over time is the key point, you can say the whole number itself, the 23,300 or 23,400 is unique in itself. These kind of number like 20,500, 27,600, sometimes these number have some significant itself. As you can see in this particular scenario, the support and resistance are quite far from where it should be. So at this point we are going to make the closest support and resistance possible in this scenario. So I made 23,400 as a resistance, 23,300 as a support. So if you're going to do day trading and these shares come close to these points, and if it goes up and come back and take a bounce again, then it could be a meaning that 23,400 is going to work as a decent resistance to go with. And same if it fell down and it bounced on 23,300 and went up, so it is going to work as a support itself. Okay, so this is the analysis for Nifty 50. And you can also go with the other things as well, like you can put previous day high or low as your support and resistance, but it's all on you basically, because a, a candle which has so much big wick before hand is not always going to give you the room of taking into your access, because you're not going to finalize yourself that it is going to work as a good support or resistance. And on the other hand, a candle which has a little wick as possible can work really good with these kind of things, my personal opinion. Okay, I think that's it from my side about support and resistance of Nifty 50. And I have already mentioned the key point, or you can say key entry or exit point if you're going to trade in it. So if you want to continue trade, kindly consider these point as a good, you can say, point of entry or exit. And with this, thanks for watching Stockology, and I'm going to put video continuously every day, uh, especially during the market hours or the day where market works, to give you a perspective about my what I think about the share or any particular index, or if you want me to look any particular share, you can just type it down in the comment. And thanks for watching.